Today's standing desk yoga series, we have standing poses that you can do at your desk. The desk and the chair are optional. We're going to be using them for balance and for modifying poses if you need them. And stay tuned for the end where we have a special balance challenge for you. It's going to be fun. Let's begin. First, face your desk. And we'll use the desk first for a quarter sun salutation. Inhale, stretch your arms up, and exhale, bow. So you're going to bend your elbows just to whatever degree you can bow forwards. That's fine. And then inhale, extend the spine, straighten the arms, exhale, bow. Inhale, extend the spine again and keep going all the way up to standing. Reach the arms up and exhale, hands in front of your heart. Release your arms. Let's take the chair. You can always do this putting your hands on the floor if you would rather. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bow. Hands to the chair seat. Crown of head to the chair seat if you can. Inhale up halfway. And exhale, bow. Inhale, extend. And then come up to standing. Reach the arms up. And exhale, hands in front of heart. Now for some moving standing poses. I'm going to put my chair over here because I'm going to demonstrate for you first, and then you'll follow along. You can use either a desk or a chair or both or nothing. Using a desk, it looks like this. Take a wide stance, and then ball of left foot lifts up so you can turn it in slightly. Right foot turns out 90 degrees. And we have other videos where you can see this, see my feet better. And then bend the right knee 90 degrees like you're sitting in a chair. This is warrior two. And then you would go into side angle from warrior two. Right forearm finds right thigh. You can use the left hand for support on the desk. You can always extend the left arm overhead wherever you're at if you feel like you have balance. One more thing, we're going to go into Trikonasana triangle pose, which means that you would simply straighten the front leg and this right hand could come somewhere on the foot. And you're working on lengthening this waistline. When you do it on the chair, the hand comes behind. So you take the wide stance, you're in warrior two, hand on the chair back, so the left arm is free. And then you simply bow and reach the arm wherever you want, up to the sky, overhead, whatever works for you. And then with the Trikonasana, you straighten the leg and the hand stays here, and that's it. Now let's put it all together and move it. So take your wide stance. Left foot turns in, right foot turns out 90 degrees. Bend right knee, warrior two. Right forearm on right thigh if that's available to you. Chest opens and you stay here or you reach the arm overhead. And then from here, inhale into warrior two. So the right arm can come up or you can go the other way, left arm back behind you. And then again, side angle and back up to warrior two. We're moving on, go into side angle, and from side angle into Trikonasana, which means right leg straightens and then bends. And you put the forearm back on the thigh if you're doing that. And then one more, straighten. And if you're using the top arm, it goes up. And then bend the left, right thigh. And reach the left arm across the left ear if it's available to you. And then back up into Warrior two. Straighten the front leg, join the legs together, pause, other side. Remember, if you have a chair, to move the chair. Take your wide stance. This time, the ball of the right foot turns in, left foot turns out 90 degrees. So I'll show you using the chair seat. You can also use the chair back. But the left hand goes to the chair as you bend left knee. And then from here, warrior two. Side angle. Exhale, left forearm goes down, right arm across your right ear. And then inhale, warrior two. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Remember this time we're moving on. Exhale, side angle. Straighten the left leg and take that arm up to the sky. And then bend the left knee. Arm, if you like, it comes across right ear. And again, straighten and bend the left knee. From here, inhale into warrior two. And straighten the legs, join the legs together. Take a breath. And here's for our fun that I promised you. Again, you can use the chair. Grab the chair and place it to the right of you. Hand on the chair back. Just for balance, you might not need it at all. But we're going to stand on our left leg and lift our right leg out in front of us. So try. Flip. Hanging on, no big deal. Left thigh, keep going here. As we go on, what happens is this left thigh tends to want to go forwards, and then we dump into our low back, and that feels terrible. We don't want to do that. So keep the left thigh bone moving back. Other things you can do is rest your foot on the chair seat or on the chair back. And hang out here, breathing deeply, focusing on something that is not moving. And then lower the leg down, take a breath, and let's go to the other side. See, you can also use the desk. Lift the left leg in the air and hold here. Keep going so I can show you on the chair back here. If you have it on the chair seat at the back, what you can play with is engaging the leg more by pressing down with the leg, keeping this left hip, outer hip moving down, and feel how more energized that leg is. So it's not just kind of in space, it's actually helping you rather than being in the way. See how that works for you. Now release the leg back down, come to Tadasana and check in with yourself. If that wasn't challenging enough, just put this on a repeat. Do it another 2 times and then see how that goes. Let me know how that worked for you in the comments below, and click the like button if you like this video. It helps my channel Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.